What is going on, boys? What is going on? My name is Eggy Bread, or Niall in real life, and basically, boys, it's not good. Look at this bank situation, boys. This is what I'm talking about. We've got an AGS, we've got Armadyl Godsword, we've got an Elder Maul, and we've got 7 mil in platinum tokens, but we're going to leave that there for now. But we want to rebuild from 796 GP using whatever's in my bank, which is literally nothing. Like 10 Gmals and that's pretty good. But we're going to try and rebuild. Sort of. I want to get a twisted bow, boys. Right? That's the dream. Twisted bow. So we're going to try and rebuild up to a twisted bow, starting with PKM with his Elder Maul. So we're going to go out there, see what we can do, see if we can make some money. Hopefully not die, because that would not be good. Let's go. Hopefully this will be like a new series sort of thing. It's going to involve everything. A bit of PKing, bit of chin chompers, bit of slayer, just a bit of everything, boys. But here's the rules, here's the catch. I can only use the BGS, the AGS, and the Elder Maul. They've got to stay in my bank. So I've got to rebuild using those. I can't sell them to buy other items. I have to rebuild using these items. So let's see what we can do. Alright then, let's go out and get a fight here. Who wants to go, boys? Stucky can ask give you a skip lead. What does that even mean? Oh, need we? Who wants to go? Who wants to fight me, Elder Maul? Come on, boys. Somebody here has got to want to fight me. Wow, what a nice name. Let's tell him. Who's this? Hello, lead. Get out. 15 murderers, lead. L. W. Your name is a W, lead. Right, what are we saying here? What are we saying? This world's dead. PKN is dead. Smatina. Well, 2500. Yeah. Funny joke. Hairy nurse. Luckville. Right, come on, Luckville, lad. Good luck. Yeah? Come on then. Let's go, lad. Let's go. Me and you. So, plan is just hit him with the Elder Maul whenever he's not avenged, boys. Right. And we'll try to get the avenged kills off. That. Avenged on it. Okay. Are you joking me? Alright, boys, that is not a good start. That is not a good start. I've got to sell some here. So I've got to sell some garbage to fix me. I can't even fix my cape. I can't fix my cape. I can't about it. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gearing back up. That was garbage. Can't believe I died to that. Garbage. Alright, that was not a good way to start the video, but I like this guy. He's a good PK. He's fun. Good luck, my dude. Right, so we've not got the fire cape, so we're looking a bit retarded. Yeah, I fought him a few times earlier today before we started this video, but I want these tier. I want that tier lead. I killed him with a dragon two-handed sword earlier. It was funny, so it's fine. Come on, lead. I can hit 50. Is he gonna sit on that health? He's gonna sit on that health. No, he's eating a graphics tea then. 24. Come on, we can do a bit better than that, lead. Oh, 47. That's alright. Go on. Alright. Let's try to get a big MSB hit. That is just really not ideal. So now we're 2 deaths down. At the beginning of the video, literally I've been PKing for minutes. Literally minutes. And I've just been minced both times. So I've actually got to go get a room plate video. I might have enough. I've got enough points. 31,400, is that enough? Okay. Looks like we're going to the G. I'll be back when I've got. Oh, that made me angry. I've died to 41 Gmall AGS and then 77 AGS. Like, come on, lad. Come on, lad. Not about that. Oh, who that? Look at him. Hello, lad. Alright, we're gonna rematch this guy. I sold some chaos runes in my bank to get my fire kit back. This guy risks literally nothing and just brought one big hit is all we need. Oh, that's the one. Kill yourself. No. What? Let's go get another target. That was garbage. Garbage! Good luck. He wants to fight. Let's go. Oh, quick kill. Nope. Oh, I hit him on his revenge there. 60, I don't really feel safe. I feel like he's got something up his sleeve, let you know. 15 seconds till my venge. That's nice on his venge. A 1 would have been even nicer on his venge. Oh, he's about to spec me. Oh, yep. 72. What? What is this game? Why do I? So I've died to a 60, 41, a 77, and a 72. Right. This game, man. This game is against me. What have I got in my bank? 240k to buy it. I literally sold everything to get that money. Everything, like all the trash in my bank. It's just not going well. It's not going well. Deeper. So we're 3 deaths down. I just need 700k. I've lost 700k since we started with this. That's all. So it's not like it's a lot to get back on. Oh, it could have been so good. This is PID. 65. I don't really feel safe on that, but I don't have graphics rests. No, I'm on W on that. As soon as that venge goes off, he's ready with that. Do you know what? No way. That could have been so bad. That could have been so bad. What do you mean, how led? I'm sick, that's why. Nah, I should have died, honestly. I've just wasted my venge. Small is not hitting for me. Oh my god, that Maul did though. See you later. See you later, lad. That was so clutch. That was just an RNG kill, let's be real. Jesus Christ. About time we got a kill though. Just give me everything. Rebuilding. Just give me everything. Prayer potion, yeah. Okay, so that. Anglerfish, get rid of that. Earth runes, perfect. Lovely job. Use that. We're out. That was beautiful. Right, we're not getting any kills with these rune gloves, boys. We gotta take the leap of faith here and upgrade some barrow gloves just to get our kills flowing, because I'm just not hitting anything. My specs are garbage, normal hits are garbage, and I'm just using up supplies, no kills. So let's buy a pair of these. Nobody PKing anymore. This guy, kill that. It's about full to this. He's got AGS, so be careful. Especially when he's hitting like that. Yeah, it's AGS. Cool. Give me a 69 then. I'm not safe there. His AGS is clearly better than my Maul. Oh my god, 59. That could have been it. Oh, that is it. See you later. That's the one. I don't think we're going to get much though, but. Right, we've got rematch. $20. That could have been it. Oh my god. Boy, it's angry. So there goes our barrow gloves. Okay. Do we trust him, boys? Alright, fine. Good luck. Smites for the 650k risk. That's great, mate. It's really cool. Whatever, come on. Hopefully this will be a free loot, because... Woo! That'll do. That will do. Room gloves is... Why is he kicking me? Don't need a box left. Yo, kill me. Fine. Sure, I will. I'll kill you. Right, I didn't... Right, here we go. I think I can get this person with the AGS. I reckon it's possible, boys. What the hell? What the hell was that? Literally just teleported, I swear. I'm sitting kinda low here. Come on. I really need rigor. Could have died there so easy. What the hell? I just didn't. Not paying attention. Oh my god, as if I expect. Tried to click away. Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh, I'm so bad today. Full HP. Right, I've got spec, so. Oh, it's the one. That was a beast of revenge from that person. I should have killed myself, but got lucky, but that's what we like, boys. It's just loot, isn't it? Running around and ting. What the hell is going on? Dancing around like a spastic in a bouncy castle there. But again, what the hell? What? Another loot though, that's nice. Take that. But we're good. Come on. Big MSB it. He has finished, I don't want to kill myself. 750. Oh my god, that was so beautiful. That was so beautiful. Come on in. I just had the slowest reaction time ever. That was awful by me. Look at this guy, he's level 99, I'm gonna bully him. Let's go. Forgot my Gmail. Don't need it anyway. Oh my god, this is just rude. This is just rude. Oh my god, it's rude. I'm a bully. Oh, that is awkward. Oh, that is awkward. Station. 72, don't hit me that. Oh my god, it's gone. No way. Big combo, no. He's gonna risk it, he's gonna risk it, Venge. No. Risk it, he's gonna risk it. If he kills me now, see ya later, lad. That was so retarded, my friend. Give me them dragon boots, right? We've got our emblem as well. Sweet, so we're just gonna throw that in the corner there. Starting to work. Oh, that's the one. He's not eating one up on my models, like. I'm a little bit baffled by it. I'd love to know. What did my Venge hit? Nothing. I'd love. Right, so the road to tier 10 ended on a tier 1. Get on their health, like. Oh my god, lad, are you joking me? Are you joking me? I'm pretty angry. One. Oh my god, go on. Go on. We have to do this at 47 then. It's perfect. That's it. See you later. Tier 3, thank you very much, lad. That's what we wanted. Donate me 59, lad. I'm dead. I'm dead if you're sick. No, I'm gonna risk it. I reckon I can get him. Whee! Just to build ourselves back up a little bit. Oh, I can see some dragonic boots. Oh, we got the obby shield. Yep. It's a lovely power. Alright. Couldn't leave you like that. So I've bought a DH set out of my money. That was 7 mil. So if I get this kill, it won't count towards the series, but it'll be nice just to get a nice loot in. So. Oh my god, joke. Why didn't I Gmail? Just I thought he died. Like. I want to sit so I can just. It's not gonna sit 67%, is it? Sure, he's got his graphics rest. Good lad. Good fight, man. Well, I'm getting greedy. I want one more. I want another kill. Well, should have never gone back.